Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about one simple trick that will save you money on car insurance. That's right, this one simple trick can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on your car insurance. And when you extrapolate that over the course of your career of driving, of your lifetime of driving, that can be a ton of money in your pocket. Now, here's the simple trick. I'm going to stop beating around the bush. The simple trick is to be a safer driver. Now, let me break this down for you, right? So, car insurance companies, they determine their rates based on your risk factor, along with the amount that it would cost to repair your car and replace your car and so forth. So they basically combine two factors, the value of your car, along with maybe the location and stuff like that, but that's all considered along with the risk of the car itself, and then yourself as a driver, the risk that you bring forth. Now, you are half of that equation. Of course, if you're driving a $250,000 car, it's probably going to cost more to insure than a $25,000 car, but your risk as a driver actually plays a huge role. And that's why drivers can afford the insurance on these $200,000, $300,000 sports cars, because they are safe drivers. So the risk factor for the drivers themselves is so low that the insurance is actually affordable, or else it would cost an arm and a leg to insure a $300,000 sports car if you are a risky driver in yourself. So here's the thing. When you are a safer driver, you're going to get less tickets. You're going to get fewer tickets, okay? And you're less likely to get into a car accident. And those are two things that really contribute to your car insurance rate. If you have 10 speeding tickets, the car insurance company is going to look at you as a driver and they're going to say, well, if you're speeding this often, then we have to charge you a lot for your insurance because there's a huge chance that you're going to get into an accident. Meaning, if you get into an accident, the car insurance company has to pay for the damages and so forth, and the risk of them paying is much higher, so you got to pay. The goal of a car insurance company is to make money and insure your car. Insure your car and make money in the process, so it's as simple as that. By getting fewer tickets and also by lowering your risk of getting into a car accident, you're going to get charged less for car insurance, okay? And also, you need to shop around. That's part of the trick, because some insurance companies will place more of an emphasis on the value of the car. Other insurance companies will place more of an emphasis on the driver's risk factor. So what you want to do is be a safer driver. If you have any tickets, make sure that you're a safer driver for the next number of years, so you don't get any additional tickets, so you don't get into any accidents in the next however many years, and then your insurance rate should go down. And if it doesn't go down, then shop around for a company that values a low risk driver, and then your insurance rate should go down at that point. But that's the key thing here. You want to lower your risk as a driver. By lowering your risk as a driver, you are going to lower your insurance. Now, if you have 20 tickets under your belt and 4 accidents in the last 3 years, firstly, you might not have a license. It might be suspended depending on where you live. But secondly, your insurance is probably through the roof. And just because you go for 12 months without getting any tickets doesn't mean your insurance is just going to drop to the ground. It's not that simple. You see, most insurance companies use tickets and accidents to determine their rates for a number of years. Okay, I can't tell you what that number is because it varies based on the location and the company, but they'll look back however many years at your record. So that means you need to be a safer driver for 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, even 10 years, depending on the situation. And once you've done that and you get those tickets and those accidents off of their sort of view that they look in, then your insurance rates should begin to drop. It's as simple as that, okay? So that's one simple trick that will save you money on car insurance. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.